Hi, it's spring, it's finally getting warmer, and the plants on my balcony are starting to bloom, like this Clematis Viva Polonia in the back here. But there's some other highlights that I would like to show you as well, like a Dwarf Lilac, for example. So let me show you all my plants. It's early spring, which means it's lilac time. And this dwarf lilac, Syringa Mary Palibin, is currently in bloom. Take a look at these light pink blooms. And the smell's just gorgeous, and I especially like the leaves as well of the lilac. So even when the lilac isn't blooming and it's gonna stop blooming in 2 weeks or so, it's still gonna be a great shrub on my balcony. And just to give you an idea what the blooms look like when they're still closed, here you can see they're a little bit darker. They're still closed, and then once they open up, oh, this lighter pink color. Very beautiful. Next to the lilac, you can see my Louisia cotyledon, or it's actually one of 3 Louisia cotyledons that are blooming their heads off currently. Can you see all these blooms? Just pink petals with a slightly darker pink center. In the corner we have a climbing rose, and also on the right here we have another climbing rose. This is a purple splash right here. So I'm kind of hoping that during the summer it will climb along the railing here. Another real stunner on my balcony is this Ceanothus Emily Brown. Can you see all these blue purple blooms all over this plant? I mean, I already enjoy the dark green leaves of the and slightly spiky leaves of the Ceanothus, but I'm really a fan of the blooms as well. And check out the heuchera, it's doing so well. Not like this heucherella that is struggling a little bit, but maybe it will survive. Let's see. My rose Wilde Roule is about to bloom, but we have to give it a little bit more time. On my shelf in the corner, you can see the beautiful nose that I made. The Louisia cotyledons that I had here are done blooming for now, but I'm sure they will bloom again a few more times over the summer. This Louisia cotyledon, it should be a Pilu, and this is a Clematis the President. They need a bit more time before they bloom. Unlike this Clematis Viva Polonia. Oh, can you see these huge blooms? It's nearly the size of my hand. Dark pink purple leaves with a white center. And yeah, I mean, it really is all over here. It really climbed along this wall. Apart from this, my Allium Globemaster is about to bloom. It needs a couple of more days, maybe a week or so. But everything else in this raised bed is also starting to fill in, like the lavender. There are going to be so many purple blooms all over this raised bed. It's going to be a great show. And I have another Allium Globemaster over here, another variety of lavender. The tulips and the chess plants are done blooming for the season. And yeah, you can see my time didn't make it, so I need to replace this with something else, unfortunately. But my like dark-leafed, purple-leafed heuchera is also producing some bloom spikes, and yeah, this will need a couple of more weeks as well until it starts blooming.